Jason Suntych, COO and co-founder of Xiant Technologies, based here in Greeley, Colorado, and our company is using pulsed alternating wavelengths of light, we call the system PAWS, to get plants or animals to produce their own hormones for better growth, better behaviors, and better outcomes. Brother and I have a diverse background. I worked for Wall Street firms for 10 years. Brother founded a test measurement and automation engineering company in 2001 that's also based here in Greeley. His master's degree was plant physiology, electrical engineering, mechanical engineering, and he found that there were some idiosyncrasies in terms of how plants accept light for photosynthesis. And so in about 2012, we started to experiment with this idea and found that when you only deliver light to a plant when it can utilize it, that you remove the stress from the plant, you reduce the energy inputs, and you get a better result out of the plant. Darren and I both come from an agriculture family, born and raised in small town Wyoming. Family beef producers, dairy producers in the state on a small scale. Still have a lot of friends in the state of Wyoming that are producers, and so this is an area that's absolutely near and dear to our heart. I would say that Colorado agriculture producers are the predominant place where we found our funding for our company. So we have a fondness, obviously, to the industry that's been reciprocated back to us. And so we're very excited to be part of Ag Day, simply for the fact that our applications are truly geared to make the agriculture community better in terms of being able to produce more with less. We started off with plants, had an opportunity then to work with poultry, found that it worked in poultry as well as it did in plants. From that, we had an opportunity with beef cattle, with dairy cattle, and what we're finding is essentially we're all controlled by the same sun. So these methodologies and recipes, how we deliver the light, we believe are applicable to any organism that receives information from the sun in terms of latitude or seasonality. We're finding the financial benefits come from the fact that we're reducing stress from the organisms in animals. Therefore, they're producing better. They're devoting all of their calorie intake to productivity, whether that be egg production, weight gain, and improving those feed conversions for the ultimate product. And that's what drives the financial model for the producer and allows us to then be able to charge a license fee to that producer in a way that is still very beneficial to that producer. With the same thought in mind that everything that is controlled by the sun in terms of seasonality, there are so many applications for this technology. In fact, right now we're starting to work with some performance animals, racehorses. We're seeing some real benefits in terms of muscular weight gain, performance improvements, behavior improvements in terms of focus coming out of the start gates. We're also working with some rodeo animals, barrel horses, roping horses, seeing some real benefits there. And ultimately, we believe that this is definitely applicable for human applications, both in FDA and non-FDA cases. I think for non-FDA, this can absolutely be a tool to help people with sleep. And in FDA applications, we're currently working with some different organizations trying to set up some human trials just to see what applications in terms of human disease processes this could positively affect. So we've chosen Greeley for both our engineering firm as well as our biotech firm because we feel that Greeley is a great location to kind of combine the elements of our business, which are agriculture and technology. With all the technology up and down the I-25 corridor, it helps us with recruiting in those areas, and then with agriculture in eastern and northern Colorado, a great application and trial bed for our technologies.